Welcome back, everybody. This is what I got today for my CRX. Finally. Now, funny story is, I bought this before, but then somebody in my house threw away the other one, so I had to buy them again. No. So I'm gonna be left with one because, like I said, I installed one to test it out, but the other one, somebody threw it away. So anyways, I paid around $20 shipped for both of them, and the guy was nice enough to send me this, which is a little garage, and you know, you can hang your keys and everything, right? When you hang your keys, I think it opens. I got this for free. Of course, that guy is pretty nice. I will put his info on where I bought this from. Also, he sends screws so you can mount your speaker. Now, let me show you. If you've seen my other video, the speaker did not fit on the OEM brackets. So on this one, it does fit, and it fits perfectly. And as you can see, the fitment is perfect. It fits. This fits on the CRX perfectly, of course. The speaker is gonna fit. Now, the issue that I had now, it did not fit on the OEM bracket because it was too wide. It's not that the magnet was too big or anything. It was just a little bit too wide. So I just decided to get some aftermarket brackets. Before you go and install this on your CRX or on any car, I would recommend you using some of this, not sure the name of it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But it's like foam. It's foam right here, right? And I'm gonna put it right here, right? Now the reason is, so when I turn up the music, it doesn't vibrate and make noise. So this is gonna go here, and it's gonna be against the metal. And then I'm gonna place another strip right here. The speaker is gonna go on top of this foam. All right, so this is how it's gonna look with the foam. I know it's not perfect, as you can see right here, but it'll work. Of course, over here also it's not perfect right here, but it will work. And like I said, you don't have to do this step, but I am doing it. If car audio people are doing it, then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try to do this just once, right? So now I'm just gonna put the speaker in here. It's a little bit too big. So what I'm gonna do is just bend it in, of course, like that. You can do this or you can just cut it out. So I'm just gonna bend it in, put the speaker in, and it should work. This is the final result. Like I said, the fitment is perfect. I use this little screws that came with the brackets. Since I use this little foam right here, I had to like really press and then go with the screwdriver and like press it hard just so I could screw it in. Now be careful doing it that way, because I have heard stories where people do that and it slips and then they just puncture their new speaker. That's not gonna be a good day for you. So be very careful. If anything, try and find some longer ones. I didn't. So don't be like me. I risked it, and you know, thank God none of this came out. So when the bass hits or when I'm playing loud music, it's not gonna rattle. It's not gonna sound bad because of this little foam that's on the back and the front. I will be installing this really soon, and I'll take video once I put it on. But this is definitely worth it. These are 3D printed. I forgot the material, but it can be inside a car, and even if it's really hot, it's not gonna melt or, you know, lose its shape. So definitely worth the $20. I know there was another seller selling them for like $60. I said, hell no. Are you crazy? Anyways, like, share, and follow, guys.